Hello developers, welcome to DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief at Embedded Computing Design, and this time on an all-new DevKit Weekly we're going to take a look at the K3836-Q and R mITX motherboard from Kontron. I've got it right here. I know a lot of times I take it out of the box, but I was so excited I already took it out to look at it. As we take a look here, you can see this is a good-sized board from Kontron at 170 millimeters square on both sides. In the center here is the socket for the LGA 1700 Raptor Lake S at a max of 65 watts in a wide variety of Intel specs from Pentium to Celeron and everything else. The K3836 mITX motherboard is the successor to the company's D3633S, and it combines the functionality of its forerunner with the latest Intel Core processor generations and latest standards. It was developed and produced in Germany, and this motherboard offers two configuration options, as I said at the beginning, the K3836R and the K3836Q. Both are powered with Intel processing. The former is equipped with Intel's R680E chipset and has ECC support for various mission-critical applications, while the latter is loaded with the Q670 chipset. It's got a ton of I/O built on, as you can see right here, including VGA, USB, HDMI. There are two Intel LAN ports right there, PCIe X16 Gen 5, and display ports supporting graphics of up to 8K resolutions. The K3836 platform is built to be particularly reliable thanks to 24/7 continuous operation at temperatures of up to 60 degrees Celsius. It was designed and approved for 24/7 continuous operation. It has adjustable CPU performance for any use case from entry level all the way up to high performance IPC. This is going to make it suited for applications in industrial, medical, where it's already been tested extensively, automotive, infotainment, and lots of other areas, especially in mission-critical applications, according to Kontron. Look, this is an exciting motherboard. There's a lot going on here, and if you want to find out more about the Kontron K3836Q or R, you can visit Kontron.com at the link down in the description and request a quote if you want to order one or multiples for your next embedded computing project. And if you want to win one of your very own, Kontron has generously made one available for you to grab. You just have to enter the raffle by going down to the link in the description and filling out the form. We're going to keep the form open for around a month, about 30 days, and then you'll be notified by email if you win the drawing. I'll be doing those drawings myself. I do a random number thing, so you've got the same chance as anybody else. Make sure you get your entry in today. Please make sure you like and share this video, and make sure that you subscribe so you never miss an episode of any of our shows, including our newest show, in case you missed it, Embedded Insights, our weekly news program. To keep up with all the news in embedded, make sure you visit us at embeddedcomputing.com every day, and follow us on all our socials, especially on LinkedIn. The links are all in the description. That is all for this edition of DevKit Weekly. I've been Ken Briodagh with Embedded Computing Design, and as always, thank you so much for watching. You've been marvelous. I've been your host, and we will see you on the next edition of DevKit Weekly.